This is InnovationU at Modesto Junior College, an engaging student experience meant to build critical skills for innovative problem solving. The approach is process-driven, community-centered, and focuses on providing real solutions to deep needs. Participants become empowered learners, capable of implementing design strategies to make long-term and sustainable contributions that address community needs. Collaborative teamwork is the bedrock of the process, and its success depends on a diverse set of people, skills, and experiences. There's no prior learning necessary, and there are no other requirements to enroll, only a desire to learn valuable skills and develop solutions to real needs. This is InnovationU.
Okay. Hello, my name is Solomon, and we're here at the I3 InnovationU workshop. I thought since I was a returning student, maybe it wouldn't be something that was meant for me, but I'm glad I joined it anyways, because I've been able to meet a lot of great people, and the whole process, honestly, I feel like it's helped me get back into a focused educational mindset. I would have to say that my favorite part of coming here would be that I was able to meet a lot of very smart and driven people that all wanted to think of problems that they wanted to solve, and it really meant a lot to them. And that's not something you get to experience a lot. Sometimes you feel like when you go to classes, people just want to go there just so that they get the grades so they can move on to the next step, but honestly it didn't feel like that at all when we were here. It felt like everyone was here for a purpose, like we all wanted to accomplish something, and that felt great. My group focused on, our problem was that young adults are struggling once they enter independent life on their own.
Hi, my name is Helen.
My name is Christian.
And we're students at InnovationU. My experience is very good. I enjoyed the connections I've made, the friendships I've made, just learning about the entire process of this innovating.
One of my favorite things about this whole workshop was coming up with the problem and trying to find a solution with it. Our problem was, how can we make online classes more engaging?
This program definitely opened my eyes to the problems that our community faces, and it opens new opportunities and new pathways. You should come to this workshop because you can build your skills and showcase your existing talents.